Hey, this is Cherish with Off the Grid, and today we're going to buy a new truck. So we've been researching online all of the trucks, and we ended up finding a Chevy Silverado. It's a 2006 that looks promising. It's about 2 hours away, so we're gonna go drive down and see it, and hopefully something good comes of it. This is where we're living right now. I still have all these boxes to go through and sort. It's all paperwork and photos. I ended up finding these 3 boxes full, which I've gone through. 1 box, this is just empty. But I've gone through it and I've cleaned out and organized photos. I'm trying to scan everything in. Okay, so we have a little local like mom and pop shop that we are looking at a truck at. We've looked at several different trucks. This one looks promising, so we wanted to take you with us. Hey buddy, you ready to go look at the truck? Okay. Hey Levi, which one is it? Which one is it? So let's see inside. No, it's not bulletproof.
He said the metal's bulletproof.
Make sure she doesn't fall out. So tell me what you think about the truck.
I'm good duck and I want it.
Oh, Thea, what do you think about the truck?
I want to keep it.
Tell me what you think about the truck.
Good.
Okay, so we went and saw that truck. What did you think about the truck?
I thought the truck was really nice. For being an older truck, it's pretty clean. I mean, there's some stains and some scratches and stuff, but overall the paint job actually was decent for 17, 18 years old. It ran great. A few small little mechanical things like the back window not going down, chip on the windshield, the handle and the tailgate is plastic parts broken. Still worked, but painted the rear. But overall, actually, I think for the value, especially for the low mileage, it only has 91,000 miles on it. It's a pretty decent deal. More than what we want to spend, but it's the best deal that we've found so far.
We went in with a certain dollar amount that we weren't going to go over, and they wouldn't drop it down low enough for us to be able to do that. So we did actually leave, but right now we're still just kind of discussing if it's really best for us to go and get it and spend a little bit more. It's not really that much more, and that includes registration, which California registration is really expensive. So it's not that they're necessarily like raising the price and getting more money. It's even though I guess they are, but
they're not necessarily trying to like stiff us or.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's totally worth it. I think if we don't buy it,
it's just not. It may not be worth it for how much we want to spend. So.
Yeah. So we're just trying to figure out what we want to do. We're actually going to Knott's Berry Farm with family right now. We didn't really have time. The road is like making us go like side to side, so it's hard to tell.
It felt like we had a flat for a second, but I don't think we do.
But we're meeting family at Knott's Berry Farm, probably our last time going before we move. And so we're going to spend time with family and sleep on it. And if it's meant to be, then it will be there tomorrow when we wake up. So. Yep. So guess what? Guess what?
We're no longer in a Prius.
Thank God.
Yeah, with the 3 kids in the Prius is a nightmare. But we are now in our new to us used GMC 2500 HD with the Vortec 8.1 engine, which is a beast, and a never miss a gas station engine. Very sad about the gas mileage, going from the best gas mileage car in the world to the worst gas mileage car in the world. But we're excited about what we can do with it and what it will do for us. It's a 4x4 as well, so with the 8-foot bed. So we're excited. Ready to go to Idaho.